Hello, welcome to this short introductory clip, Goods and their Classification, as part of my course, Introduction to Austrian Economics, which you can find at Udemy. Welcome. With the publication of his Grundsätze der Volkswirtschaftslehre, Principles of Economics, in 1871, Karl Menger laid the groundwork for the Austrian school. Menger's Principles is still one of the best books to learn how the market economy works. We will use this major work as the basis for our lectures on the foundational principles of Austrian economics. Hello, welcome to this introductory clip about the lecture on the classification of goods, which forms part of my principles of economics that I teach at Udemy. Remember, a great future needs a great economy. A great economy needs great economics. Austrian economics is great economics. We will learn about the different types of goods, first order and higher order goods, free and economic goods, complementary goods, and hybrid goods. Menger's approach in his principles of economics begins with the analysis of goods, and this lays the foundation for the subsequent chapters that deal with time and error, the role of property, value, prices, exchange, and money. Our learning objectives are understanding the law of the mutual dependence of goods, the law of value, and the principles of wealth creation. Here is the link to the course. Welcome to Introduction to Austrian Economics, Principles of Austrian Economics, and their application to the real world.